As you can see, the start of the display has begun with a rapid descent from 2,000 feet. This is used to enter and exit patrol bases and indeed camp baskets on operation. You're in for a pedal turn to the left. The aircraft pitches up to 90 degrees nose up and then rotates around the mast, giving both pilots a wonderful view of sky and then nothing but ground. Crew are holding on to their lunch for this next manoeuvre. 90 degree up, 90 degree down. I think, JJ, that bit's called cows getting bigger, isn't it? It is indeed. It is indeed. Nothing but sky, nothing but ground there. Keeps both pilots on their toes. Cows get bigger rather quickly. Indeed, they do. Again, as they head out to crowd left, they're going to do another pedal turn. As you can see, it's a great view of the aircraft there, as it pretty much looks like it's about to fall out of the sky before rapidly accelerating back towards the airfield. You're in for a great view of this aircraft now as it does a 270 degree wing over away from the ground. It almost looks like the aircraft goes all the way upside down. As the aircraft now departs away to crowd centre, you get a great view of the back of the aircraft. You can see all the weapons, all the cannon underneath, and you get a great view of it now as it goes back up into the sky with 90 degree nose up. Here comes another roller coaster for the crew. With a twist this time. And the next follow manoeuvres are wing overs. We can use these for returning to a target after an attack run, or if the troops are in contact and we need to return back to them very quickly. As you can see, it's quite a dramatic manoeuvre. The sound of the aircraft and the blades slapping is usually enough to deter the enemy from engaging any friendly troops. Captain Wales, did you say that? It is indeed. Captain Wales is with us this afternoon. Well, maybe we can talk a little more about that when they finish their display. Indeed. And here comes a quick stop down to crowd left. It's a great manoeuvre to get the aircraft to a rapid stop very quickly. Now, as ever we start waving as the aircraft now is going to move down the crowd line in a beautiful pirouette. This is a very complex manoeuvre where